Sorry friends, I think we got disconnected in between, so I'm just have to probably uh, uh, just waiting for so as I was mentioning, we are pretty strong, but then yes, what is that we can expect for tomorrow? Are we positive or we negative? Is something which we need to look at currently. So if we look at the charts here, the trend seems to be pretty strongly up, uh, and see the pattern. We seem to have created a kind of a pattern. When we look at Bank Nifty, also this is a kind of a pattern where I become a bit cautious. I don't really my gut feel says that we may test, definitely we may open somewhere close to around 36,400, or we may move upwards towards 36,400, and we may stay here and fall down tomorrow, or we may straight away move a bit and move down on Monday as well. So I am slightly cautious, not very confident, because of the pattern which is created. Yes, my targets or the patterns, the charts definitely say that we are probably heading higher towards 36,700 levels. Uh, for the next 2 days or 3 days, by Wednesday, we should be looking at this level for sure. So I could be completely wrong, and I have this view which I am sharing. Just that we need to trade with caution and look at our safety. We do not intend to scare anybody, neither should we go very confident and then get stuck. So I think I'll pause this video here and create a new video, because we got disconnected in between, and the continuity is not coming in. Kind of a pattern Bank Nifty and Nifty both have created. The market can turn a little bit. It needs to retrace, or we could say that now market is strongly bull. It needs to take some kind of a move down, and then possibly stay here, consolidate, and move upwards. So having said that, I would request viewers tomorrow to be cautious and trade. On the open we can definitely look to short. Let me share the levels for Bank Nifty options, and you could trade accordingly. So I have two of strike prices. One is 36,300 call and 36,000 put. So I would share the prices, the entry levels, possibly which we can look to buy. Uh, So two strike prices I have chosen. This is a pre-open market call. Buy 36,300 CE above $370 SL. Sorry, it is 350 or 60. SL we can keep was 310, 305. Target could be 440 by 36,000 PE above. $280, $284, SL 240. Target we could probably look at 340. So please very clearly understand, this price has to move above from below. Do not buy when the price hits the target or is coming down. That is absolutely, this is not equity, this is options, and you can lose very badly the capital, and then your entire morale also gets hit very badly. So a couple of stocks I think I have listed. One is Hindalco. If you see, Hindalco has nicely moved up. Let me see if I can remove this. So Hindalco, I think if you see here, it is a kind of uptrend. Now not very clear, and this was a very strong red candle here. Post this, as market moved down, touch the trend line, and then if you see at this price, market broke, but then here a red candle was formed and then it was negated. So I'm looking to buy Hindalco on maybe retest tomorrow. If price comes here, I would look to buy for target possibly close to around 407. And my stop loss, if you ask me, should be typically at 60, 68 levels, because there is a huge chance if it moves down below, then the trend line can break and retest and come down also. So it's a calculated risk to reward. Our risk is somewhere around you can keep a risk of around 30 points, because the reward is close to double. And if you see the candles here, this again has given me a positive affirmation that we can look to buy. So, and then we will look at Grasim as well. This is another stock which I think looks very strong. The upro has been pretty good. If you see the daily candles, the strong positive move. In fact, we could have entered here. Even if you had missed here, we could have bought at this levels on retest. And this is my entry. My stop loss, I think I can keep around 1404. Our initial target could be somewhere close to 1560 and 1720 as well. So the other stock which I am looking at is Bharti Airtel. If you see here, this was a good entry. If you see the candle here, very strong. Price has taken off, and also this, in fact, here I think if you see here, this was a very clear M pattern. This was a perfect entry for a sell, and see the kind of move. This was a total clear M pattern. Now we have price moving up. We can expect somewhere close to 1740. So I would look for an entry here, and my first target is 1740, and second I'm looking at 780 levels. Also, if we see the IT stocks are performing definitely pretty strong. Today I think I mentioned in a couple of groups that Kotak, I seem to be on the sell side, and in fact this we had shared yesterday as well. Price, in fact, Dow Bank Nifty was strong. Kotak moved up slightly, on the first candle. It went, I think, it moved down, retraced, and then a strong down move was made. So are we looking to sell tomorrow also? Yes, I'm pretty confident that I think this move possibly is completed. Tomorrow, if you ask me, if Kotak Mahindra Bank moves above 1810, then there will be a small retest on 1802, and then we can look to buy for a target of 1851. If you all remember HDFC, I am pretty bullish and have a long-term-ish kind of a view for next 1 year. HDFC Bank, if we do not see big moves because it is kind of stuck in this range. But however, this is what we can expect in the next 5 to 6 months. So just hold on tight. It's like a roller coaster ride because the market just moves up, down like this, and then strong, move down, and then we can definitely see a big move. The other stocks I think we can definitely look at is DLF. We can look at Shoba. We can look at we are also bullish on Godrej Industries because next stocks index which is probably going to move will be Realty. Auto has made already nice moves, so you can start booking your profit unless otherwise you want to hold them for very long term. So look at the kind of a move the Godrej Properties has given. If you see the pattern which it has created is this zone was a consolidation, and then price just broke out and moved up. Now a slight retest was done here, and then it is strongly moved. Now for a couple of days the stock was not very confident of where to go. Eventually it broke out and then is strongly moving up. So thank you. Good luck for tomorrow. Please do not hesitate to ask questions, and if you feel that any point in time the price is not moving in your favor, just take the stop loss, and also make sure that you join our Telegram channel. Name of our YouTube channel is ChartSpeak, and the Telegram channel also, if you look for ChartSpeak, you would definitely get the link. So we have one group and the channel. You can look at joining the Telegram. In any case, I am going to share the channel link here. You could kindly look into the same and join us. Thank you so much for all your likes and your love. We are very grateful that you all join us every day at now it is pretty late, and get prepared for the next day. So